welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and today we are going to be looking over vowel sounds, okay? So we should have done all of these sounds already, but these 5 letter shapes are called vowel sounds. They are vowel sounds because when you say them, your mouth is open, okay? Your mouth, your tongue, your teeth, they're all open. They are not blocking. Your tongue isn't blocking, your lips aren't blocking, your teeth aren't blocking. All of your mouth is open. So these are open mouth sounds. So open mouth sounds are called vowels. Okay? So ah is a vowel. Look at my mouth, it's open. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, it's coming from the back of my throat. The whole mouth is open. Ah, ah. Everybody say ah. Well done. A word with ah is apple. Ah. Apple. 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 Okay, so ah is a vowel sound. Apple. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sounds? Apple. 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds. Okay, our next vowel is here. Okay, again, my mouth is open. Eh. Everybody say eh. Well done. Okay, so it's an open mouth sound. The eh sound, eh. G. Egg. 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 I like to cook eggs, you could say. Or I like to eat apples. Again, you could say. So, eh is an open mouth vowel sound. These are all vowels. Okay, again, another letter which is a vowel when your mouth is open is I. 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 Well done. So our word with I is ink. 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 I'm writing with black ink. 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 So I. My mouth is open. Vowel. Okay. Next one is off. 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 Again, off is a vowel. Off. 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 My mouth is open. Off. 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 Super. Get off of the chair could be a sentence. And the last one we have is Again, my mouth is open. Okay, so sentence could be up. Up in the sky is the sun. Up. Okay, so as we see, all of these 5 sounds are vowel sounds. Okay, they are vowel sounds. So when we say these vowel sounds, remember our mouths need to be open. Okay, and we can't have our mouths closed. Okay, our mouths need to be wide open. So let's go through them once again. Apple. 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 Egg. Egg. Ink. Ink. Off. And up. Okay, so these are vowel sounds. Okay, we will look at other types of letters in the next few videos. But if you want to, get yourself a piece of paper, put these words and sounds on your piece of paper and draw pictures for each. Or you can try and find them around the house. Maybe you've got an apple in the kitchen, maybe you've got an egg in the kitchen. Maybe you have a printer, you've got some ink, or maybe you have a marker like I do. Maybe you can get off of the couch and you can walk around, do some exercise. And maybe you can jump up in the air. Okay, thank you very much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So, thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a like on the video, like the video, and remember to subscribe so you can see future videos. Subscribe. Also share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. Share. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Comment. Thank you very much.